In this video, I'm gonna show you how to join cracked Minecraft servers with TLAUNCHER, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. If you haven't downloaded TLAUNCHER already, then check out my video on how to download and install TLAUNCHER for free. And let's start. So basically what you want to do is open the two links in the description. The first one is tlauncher.org. I'm gonna change it to English. And the second one is topminecraftservers.org. Type cracked. So once you open them, what you want to do is go to the first link, the tlauncher.org. Click on sign up and make an account. So I'm gonna set the username to boostedanimal. Type an email. Type a password. Confirm your password and click on sign up. Okay, and now once you're done here, you can go ahead and open the TLAUNCHER. Once it's opened, what you want to do is tick the box for the accounts, and as you can see it says no account. What you want to do now is just click on the drop down menu and click on configure accounts. Okay, and now just log in with your account that you just created. So enter your email or username. I'm gonna enter my username, which is boostedanimal. Okay, enter your password and click on save an account. And as you can see, the boostedanimal account is listed as an available account. And now you can go ahead, select your account, select your version, and click on enter the game. And while Minecraft is opening, you can go ahead and open the second website, top Minecraft servers, type cracked, and find a Minecraft server that you want to play on. And for example, I'm gonna take the first one, and what you want to do is click on copy. So copy the IP address, go to Minecraft, click on multiplayer, and click on add server. Now just paste the IP address into the server address box. So click on it, click on Ctrl+V, click on done, and as you can see, there it is, there's the Minecraft server. And once you add it, you can just click on it and click on join server. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped, and also use my supporter creator code BoostedAnimalYT. Thanks for watching again, and bye.